Hi Virgo, this is your quick energy check. So, pag meron kang sun, moon, at rising na Virgo, this message is para sa'yo. And if you're new, subscribe, like, and share. And the readings will be for guidance purposes. Gamit natin si the Guardian of the Night Tarot. So, ano bang sabi sa'yo, Virgo? Energy check mo. Okay, we have here the Two of Swords. My dear, it's time that you balance your thoughts. Ito na yung you need to be in control sa sarili mong iniisip. Andoon na isa sa mga gifts para sa ng universe is yung pagiging analytical mo. Yung pagiging madali mo masuri yung mga bagay-bagay. Pero minsan kasi, pwedeng maging curse na rin to. Paano? Kapag dun ka na nakafocus. Or malala, imbes na nakafocus, isip ka ng paraan para ma-resolve yung problema, andoon na nagiging paraan to para mas maging focus ka doon sa negative outcome. Walang masamang makita mo or isipin mo negative outcome kung gagamitin mo yon as a way para magkaroon ka ng idea na, paano ko gagawin para i-prevent yung negative outcome. However, iba sa inyo, doon na nafo-focus. Doon na nilalaman na kayo. It's time to go back to the balance of your mind. Control mo yung iniisip mo. Your mind is very powerful. Ang dami mong nakikreate with your mind. So it's time that you become the master of the ship and the captain of your soul. So, I hope nakatulong yung reading. That is for your guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And kung bago ka, subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you sa next video natin. Bye!